In this video, I will show you how to permanently disable live photos on iPhone. This is the great way to save battery life and storage space. Every time you launch camera app, live photos will be enabled by default. So in order to set camera settings, just follow these steps. First open settings app. Now scroll down and tap camera. Now tap preserve settings. Scroll down to the bottom and enable toggle button next to live photo. This will preserve the live photo setting instead of automatically enabling live photo. Now go back to the camera app and disable live photos. Now every time you launch camera app, live photos will be disabled by default. This will store last setting made to the live photos and accordingly show the option. So that is how you can permanently disable live photos on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.